guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. And this month we are back with another unboxing, and you already know it's a Boxycharm unboxing. For this month, their theme is Galaxy Glow. Let's get into this box. So the first item in the box is what I'm most excited for, the Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette, and it reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. Look at it. Look at this holographic realness going on here. I just want it all over my face. So we're gonna do a couple of swatches here. I just dropped everything in the box now. So we're gonna do a couple of swatches here. So we're gonna go with this pinky one. Do you see that? See that swatches? It's very, subtle. It's not, I will say they're a bit chalky. Those are the swatches. They're very pretty, so I will find myself using this palette. Oh. Next thing up in the box is the COVERFX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst, and I'm so excited we got this because I think it was the limited edition box, I don't know which one it was, but we had to receive a COVERFX. We've been getting a couple of COVERFX. You guys want to see it? Look at that. Look at that shimmer. So once my eyes are back to normal and I can wear eyeshadows, I will create a look with this. Alright, next thing in the box. I am not a fan of glitter. I've been reading all this without telling you guys the prices. So the first one, the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette, it retails $39.99. The COVERFX Shimmer Veil, $28. The BellaPierre Cosmetics Cosmic Glitter retails $15. Is this ultra fine loose cosmetic face and body glitter. It's fun, versatile, and extremely brilliant. Enhance your look with subtle touches of glitter, or go all out with dynamic and intense glitter effects. I'm not gonna use it either way because I don't like glitter. But thank you. I'll give it to my makeup artist. Next thing in the box is the Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil. I actually don't like wooden pencils, but I'm willing to give this a try. This retails for $21. Now last but definitely not least, the best thing that I think I got in the box are definitely the Crown blush. The Crown Pro brushes. This, oh lordy lord, I just ripped this bag. These, I'm pretty sure everyone that has gotten this box has said the same thing, but these look exactly like the Wet n Wild brushes. Thank you Boxy and Crown for including your brushes. So the brushes retail for $29.99. Once again, do I have to repeat myself on why you guys should be getting Boxycharm? It's a lot of good products for just $20 a month. Come on, get with the program, guys. Get with the program. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to keep seeing my unboxing videos, please make sure to subscribe, put that notification bell so you can get every notification to every video that I post up. And I know it's been a while that I haven't posted, but I'm so glad to be back. Thank you guys for sticking around. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.